Hey guys, we're going to be doing barbell good morning. So the biggest thing here is we're going to be keeping our knees slightly bent. We're going to be getting a stretch on the hamstring. So you're going to grab the bar and you want to bend at the hips here, or hinge at the hips. You're going to hinge down. You got to stretch here, right here, and back up, and down 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Back up. Let me show you on the bar here. So you're going to get the bar. Make sure you put on a weight you can do properly with good form. Okay. Okay, remember, knees slightly bent. Hinge at the hips. You just get that stretch. Keep your chest up. 1. 3 seconds on the way down. 1, 2, 3. Up. Remember, keep that back tight. Chest up. These are barbell good mornings.